The way the industry's kind of evolved, it's allowed me to be able to come back to my roots and just kind of hang out with old mates that I used to snowboard with and come to Alaska and just have fun, spend time with your friends,
Yeah.
This is biking.
In your face!
We're excited, aren't we? He's excited.
Looks like Roland. Looks like we're going to fly this morning.
Just gonna peel off to the right now.
Just found a good zone. Looks like hopefully exactly what we've been looking for.
That's awesome, eh?
The kind of flying we do here for heli skiing is pretty radical. And then I just fell the whole way down this fucking gnarly line.
We're excited for the next couple of weeks.
Check back.